Hello everyone, welcome to my video on academic writing types. In this session, we will understand the difference between research papers, review papers, case studies and book chapters. This topic is very important for students, researchers and anyone involved in academic writing. Contents. In this presentation, we will cover the big picture of academic writing types, then discuss each format in detail: research paper, review paper, case study, and book chapter. After that, we will compare them and understand when to use each and finally summarize key takeaways. Why these formats exist? Different academic writing formats exist because each serves a different purpose. Some create new knowledge, some summarizes existing knowledge, and some explain real world situations, and other are used for teaching or references. So, what is research paper? Definition and purpose. A research paper is an original article where you present new data or analysis. Its main goal is to answer a specific research question and contribute something new to the field. For example, suppose a researcher studies the impact of social media uses on students' academic performance by collecting survey data from college students and analyzing it. The finding, like whether social media improves or reduces performance, are new. So this becomes a research paper. The structure of research paper. A research paper follows a structural format called IMRDC, which means introduction, method, result, discussion, and conclusion. It ensures clarity and reproducibility. The main characteristics of research paper include these papers are highly specific, data-driven and reproducible, and method must be clear so others can replicate the study. What is review paper? A review paper does not collect new data. Instead, it analyzes and summarizes existing studies to identify trend, gaps, and future direction. For example, a researcher reads 30 to 40 previous studies on the impact of online learning on student performance and summarizes what most studies say, where they disagree, and what is still missing. This summary and analysis becomes a review paper. Types of literature review include narrative review, which is traditional method of literature review, and descriptive, scoping review, which is focused on broad research area and emerging topic, integrative review, which is the mixture of qualitative and quantitative, meta-analysis, which is advanced version of SLR, systematic literature review, and critical review, which is focused on theoretical analysis. For detailed explanation, you can watch my previous videos, and you can also prefer shorts where I have explained the detailed explanation of each literature review types. So हमने समझा कि रिसर्च पेपर और रिव्यू पेपर क्या होते हैं. रिसर्च पेपर में हम एक पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम होती है, एक क्वेश्चन होता है, उसके लिए हम जो पर्टिकुलर एरिया है, जिस एरिया पे हम कर रहे हैं, लाइक बैंकिंग सेक्टर, आईटी सेक्टर, हमें वहाँ से लोगों का डेटा कलेक्ट करना पड़ रहा है. 150, 200 जितने भी लोग होते हैं उनका डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं और फिर उसको एनालाइज करते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर्स लगा के, लाइक SPSS, एमओस, स्टेटा, ETC. लेकिन रिव्यू पेपर में हम डेटा कलेक्ट नहीं करते हैं. रिव्यू पेपर में जो हमारा टॉपिक होता है उससे रिलेटेड जो प्रीवियस रिसर्च एग्जिस्ट हैं, उनमें से 40 to 50, 60 वो आप पर डिपेंड करता है. वो पेपर्स आप लेकर उनको आप एनालाइज करते हो और उनकी जो मेन फाइंडिंग आती है उनको बताते हो. उसके बेस पर रिसर्च गैप, फ्यूचर रिसर्च डायरेक्शन क्या होगा, वो सब कुछ मेंशन किया जाता है. तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिसर्च पेपर एंड रिव्यू पेपर. A case study focuses on one real-world example. It helps to explain complex situations and provide practical insight. For example, if a researcher studies how one particular school improved student performance by introducing a smart classroom, They analyze that single school in detail, its method, challenges, and outcome. This in depth analysis of one case is called case study. The main purpose of case study is to explain how, why, in complex situations generate insight and lesson. It is evidence based and multiple sources include interview, document, observation and records. The structure of case study is context, background, case description, analysis and then implication. Book chapter. A book chapter is part of a larger book. It is usually broader, more explanatory, and may include theory, examples, or frameworks. For example, in a book on digital education, one chapter might explain online learning strategies, including concepts, models, and examples. The single contribution within the whole book is called book chapter. Comparison table. Here we compare all four formats based on their goals, evidence, structure and uses. This helps you to clearly differentiate between them. So let's get understand what is the difference between research paper, review paper, case study and book chapter. The goal. The goal of research paper is original finding, review paper is synthesis, case study is in-depth analysis and book chapter is contribution. Evidence. The evidence of research paper is primary data, review paper literature, case study multi-source case evidence and book chapter is mixed. The structure of research paper is IMRDC, review paper thematic synthesis, case study narrative analysis and book chapter is book defined. It is best for testing hypothesis, review paper is best for mapping field, case study is applied understanding and book chapter is useful for teaching and references. And typical venue. The research paper typical venue is journals, review paper journals, case study is also journal, books and teaching cases and book chapter is books. Selecting the right format. Decision guide. To choose the right format, ask yourself, do I have original data? Then write a research paper. Am I summarizing studies? Go for a review paper. I am analyzing one case. Choose a case study. And last, am I writing for a book? Then it's a book chapter. Conclusion. To conclude, each academic writing type has a unique purpose. Research paper is original evidence-based plus result. Review paper is synthesis of existing evidence. Case study is deep understanding of one context specific and book chapter is focused contribution with a book's narrative. Always match your format with your research objective, data availability and your audience. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video is beneficial for you, then you can appreciate me by like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.